what I'll do is, this is the back half of the crab cooking. You can see here we've got the steam pot. Now we always steam them after we kill them, we clean them, and then we steam them, right? But since last time I did this, I had been down to Harbor Freight and I picked up one of their cutters. It's a tool you've seen on TV quite a bit, but it vibrates that blade. You can see that blade there, and it vibrates so damn fast that it doesn't really put out any dust, hardly at all. You see a little bit over here. I've already done 3 crab. I'm going to show you here if I can get a spot. I haven't got a tripod. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, that looks pretty good. All right. Now what I'll do is I'll grab one of these crabs here, lay it here on the ground, or the table, I shouldn't say ground, right? I hope that's coming through. I'll turn it on, and I'll just cut right up the seams here. You can see how, maybe you can see how easy that is. Boom. Now here I'm going to cut the big one. Cut right through the joint. Now hopefully you got a good look at that, and then you can see here what I did. I used the blade and I cut right up each section here. So when it comes time to eat those, they'll just pop right open. You can see how clean this is. We used a vacuum cleaner to clean all of the bad stuff out. Or I should say unwanted stuff. There's no bad stuff on crab, I guess. Now, when it comes time to eat them, oh, they're so easy to get into, and that's half the damn problem sometimes with crab, is you fight and you fight and you fight. But the key is this little device here from Harbor Freight. It is a winner, or I should say another winner. Be sure you check out my mashed potatoes video